Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton, they send message to governors wey dey for East because of the killings wey dey happen for their state, especially the one wey just happen for Ebonyi State. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Newton.
Good everyone, God bless you richly. God bless you. Depends on your time zone. I know some are in their morning right now, some in the afternoon, some in the evening. If you are just tuning in, please make sure you help share this video. We have a message for the Eastern State governors. I think we need to tell them what they need to know. I think they are really betraying their citizens, which they were made to protect by the grace of God. But it seems like they don't know the purpose why they were elected, and then when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. And we are going to be talking to Opus Odima, we are going to be talking to David Umahi, we are going to be talking to Nelson Wike, and the rest of them, to whosoever it may concern. Please do not hesitate to help us do sharing. Just do sharing. A lot is happening out there still. We're not going to be long in this very video. There's one disgusting video I saw. I look at it that there's no need for me to keep it in tomorrow. We have to quickly delete this one away from our mind so that we'll talk about it. So that the angel of God will carry it, so that all these Eastern State governors, they will not sleep tonight in Jesus' name. They won't sleep by the grace of God. So all hands need to be on desk by the grace of God. Please, if you are watching, make sure you share it. We have to be our brother's keeper because we don't know tomorrow. The Fulani Janjaweed Caliphate, they mean what they are doing. They mean it. They mean it, and even your governor that was made to protect you, they are sold to the devil. And I want to be asking them a question. Over this very video I saw, I think they created a Bubeagu. And Nigerians is taking this thing as a joke. The international community is taking it as a joke. It's no longer a joke. These people, they mean what they are doing. Up to today, all of them, they take IPOB to be their very problem. Now, they are leaving this responsibility for Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and all of other. They try their best. They flush out this Fulani Janjaweed Caliphate from Ebonyi. Even David Umahi confessed that they no longer have Fulani in their place. But today, even the few ones that is remaining, why? Because we should remove settlement. I think on the 12th now is a democracy day in Nigeria. And every one of us should join our voice together, irrespective of your denomination, whatever you believe on. Whether you believe in take it up, whether you believe on take it down, whether you believe on take it forward or take it back or whatever, whether you believe on a revolution tomorrow or revolution now, whether you are Oduduwalist or you are Biafralist or you are the Medio-Betans or whatever, we have to speak on one voice. This is a very division they've caused among us, and it's really dealing with us seriously. That's why we need to speak on one voice right now. I told you before, I want Nigeria to be splitted or separated, for example. I might choose a formula that is different from your own. I may want it to be done by algebraic equation. That's my own personal opinion. You yourself may want it to be done by quadratic equation. That's how you feel about it. Then a lot of people might feel, let's do it with automatic formula. That's what they feel about it. But the most important thing is that we are able to share this very country and we have peace. My brothers and sisters, if you are listening to me tonight, let's not begin to take this as a joke. If you look at it, BBC is not talking about this very shit. BBC is not talking about it. CNN is not talking about it. 4 News is not talking about it. And the main routine right now that is the elite is talking about, who is Buhari for Twitter not to delete his comment or whatever. They say your comment was so harsh. Reminding these people, if they know what happened in 1967, you are going to show them paper and all of that. They will delete it. It's not your own. Okay, since Buhari have been in position, what have he given to us? Bringing up cows meet our problem. How many of the citizens can afford this meat? Please, it's hard time. Let's begin to reason very well. We cannot be full in our home. We cannot solve our problem at home. We cannot solve the one that's here. It is very, very dehydrating, and it is very, very disgusting. Very, very dehydrating. All hands need to be on desk. All hands. Let's not leave it for the people who are be agitating right from the one. Let's take these things as if it's a personal problem. It doesn't cost much. Here you are, bro. You can lay cost on anybody. It's just that it is midnight right now. I would have gone to the river to call them. I will call them by their name and their surname. I will call them by, which I'm going to be doing. They should wait for it. Being that I wanted them to live to repent. We know God that God answer prayer. I'll be telling you, we become too lazy. What are the Igbo people doing? You, the women, go to the river. Eat the rich, naked, face the river. You can record yourself. Lay curse on these people. Waiting that they fear most now because. Mention David Umahi name 7 times. Nelson Wike 7 times. All of them. Mention their name. Opus or Didiot. Mention his name 7 times. And let's see. But we are not serious. We are not serious. Because it pains me. I'm going to be showing you video. They enter Ebonyi State today. They massacre people. Now Ebubuagu, all of them, they are coming, blaming everything on ESN. What are these people doing? This thing was created. And up to now, we the Nigerians, we are watching. We are not believing it. It was created because of this thing. And right now, the government, it creates a security outfit to be fighting the same people that be protecting their people. If ESN were to be there, will your citizens be killed today? They will not be killed. But there you see some Igbo fools who is doing informant here and there. You feel this is not going to affect you. Your land is about to be taken from you. You become a slave in your own land. You will become a slave in your own land. But I don't know why people are not getting it clear. Do you think this Europe you are today, they are going to leave you to be here forever? No. They cannot leave you to be here forever. The accommodation they give to you, at the time you expire, they'll tell you, say, my guy, come and go to your home. Then where are you going to tell them that you went to? Where are you going to go? When you have not been able to fist up anyone. Today we are still trying to play political correctness. And so I was not part of Wazo. We are not talking about that right now. Okay, think about yourself. What about when it starts happening to you? What will you do? When about it, they are not in your community now. When it starts happening to you, what will you do? Did you have a formidable force like he said that will protect you? Let's begin to free for these people. If he wants it right now, let's begin to do protests here abroad. Like the way the Biafrans came out the other day. They celebrate their fallen heroes. You guys can come back again like that. Occupy any of these embassies until you are able to draw the attention of the international communities. Still, we have to draw the attention for them to focus their attention more so that people will start showing it. Because we have to narrate these people. Without we narrating them, it's going to be difficult. This is how before you will know, they will keep people. Even when the Biafra will later be declared, nobody to even stay in the land. They mean what they are doing. And your governor is the one that have sold you out. Your elders in the village is the one that have sold you out. Look at what happened in Ebonyi. Let me show it to you. What happened in Ebonyi today? This was David Umahi gave testimony and said they doesn't have Fulani. But these people right now, they are coming in to come and start killing people. Okay, why will a state governor? You don't have any measure on ground to protect your people. Okay, what about if Nnamdi Kanu is not there? Okay, let's even assume you leave the responsibility for the man to carry. Nnamdi Kanu protect your people. Then stop fighting Nnamdi Kanu. Under one day, I trust the God of Nnamdi Kanu. It will put a Fulani to a standstill, the caliphate. They can't, they know. That's why they are using your governors against you. That's why they are using your some chiefs, some Efulefu in Biafra land against their people. They know that they cannot be able to fight Nnamdi Kanu. The most terrible thing today, for those of you that doesn't know, let me use broken English. The Nigerian government, they use the state government for Igbo land take the key in people. Not be Buhari now, na their own. That's why they don't get security after the Bubagu where they create. They don't create time to take fight Fulani. They create time they arrest IPOB. They look for ESN where they want kill. That's why they kill Ikoso. Look at what Hope Uzo did idiot. What he said the other day, he was not begging the youth that he's going to give them this one, unemployment will be solved, that if you join hands together. Now, why is he not protecting his people? Let the same youth add the same those opus or idiots. That what are you doing to protect us against this Fulani? What is ESN doing? And what brings about ESN? The well many Igbo people, they join hands together and say, okay, now, let's protect our people. But you that they are able to protect you are not ready to protect yourself. These are the problems. In the northern parts of Nigeria and the Yoruba side of Nigeria, all of them, they are in IGP camp. They have not been able to take over any village today in Igbo land. It is because of ESA and IPOB, where the Kano is the commander-in-chief. Let's be frank and realistic to ourselves. The thing is just that a lot of people are trying to start playing games. It will get to you. Nigeria is sink already. Don't you look at right now, they are trying to give him another name. Nigeria, even the British that they know it is collapsed. That's why nothing will ever work there. Every one of us need to block our ear right now with hand and scream in whichever way we can. At the time we are able to draw the attention, okay, look at it, without you shouting. For those of you that read your Bible, you know about blind Bartimaeus in the book of Mark. Blind Bartimaeus. He shouted. He said, Jesus, son of David, have mercy on me. But they were telling him, shut up your mouth, you are making noise. Then he shouted again, Jesus, thou son of David, have mercy on me. Then when he was able to get the attention of Jesus, Jesus Christ turned back and said, what did you need? He said, go and call that man for me. They went and called blind Bartimaeus. He asked blind Bartimaeus, what did you need? He said, I need my sight. Without you calling the attention of these people, it's not going to work. Please, I'm urging my Igbo brothers. The same way you guys came out that day, there was your day everywhere, fallen heroes. Also protest to let the people know of what the Nigerian government is doing. Or what they are doing to you. And mention all the state governors, write their name in the placard. And read out a script. You don't even need to touch the trade anything. Read out what they have been doing so that they will know. Before you know, you draw the attention of the BBC. Before you know, Fox News will come. Before you know, a lot of things will happen. Please, that is what we are going to do. That is what you guys are going to do. You have a momentum already, but even once you are seeking for this freedom, you have to also protect people at home. I'm going to show you the one that happened in Ebonyi. They have security. The Boboagu, what they do, they are not doing anything. The same ESN, you are not even allowing them to protect their people. You are chasing them here and there. This is wickedness to the highest order. Wickedness to the highest order, for real. This one is not normal. I swear to God, it's not normal.
I'm reporting from Ebonyi State.
Look at what happened in Ebonyi today. Look at it.
Watch everywhere. They are killing us. I'm reporting from Ebonyi State. This is a journalist, Okura Tanzot. See men and women crying. See the way they are killing us. We are not happy about it. See those destroyed. See the dead bodies. See the way they killed us. We are not really happy. See the way they are doing. We don't know what to do. We are really... These people are determined to exterminate us. They are really to deal with us. They are killing us every day. We really need the help of the ESN to come to our rescue. We don't know what to do. Share this video large everywhere so that they can get to us. Can you see? Both man, woman, adults, we are not safe. They are really...
Now, I think this guy is lamenting right now. Tell ESN to, okay, now, why not auto mobilize? You guys are not even be supporting the ESN. These are the problem. Your brother and the bush protecting you. Look at the way he's lamenting right now. They just came, they kill, and no even shoot, and none of you even have gun. If they gun and even shoot one. This is what we are saying. Coward everywhere. You are crying right now, ESM, they are human being, a volunteer soldier like you. Everybody right now in Brafaland supposed to be a full soldier on his own. Look for at least, cut to side, put down somewhere, in case. This guy was around, not that he was not at home, he went to go and hide. Right now, he came out right now videoing. Who are you saying the ESN should come? And the same ESN, your governor, they look for them. Huh? Look at the threat Wike is passing right now. And if we see you, is that probably a terrorist? Are they terrorists? You are never one day made threat to this Fulani that is killing your people. It was Fulani that gave birth to IPOP, that gave birth to ESN. Please, let us form a formidable force so that these people will not just ravage our land like that. In Nyesom Wike have no provision making to protect his people because they have already collected money because they want to make him vice president. Opus or idiot is that one Supreme Court government. That one have nothing at all. David Umahi, all of them, they are folding their hands. All they come to do is Nnamdi Kanu all the time. What Nnamdi Kanu have do for the Igbo people? You guys have not been able to do it. Combine together all the Eastern governors. You have not been able to do anyone. What have you done? Not protecting your people? Ali, even your president can't even pity you and say that the people that they gave you sworn oath for that you are going to protect life and property, you are not protecting anyone. Please, I want all my Igbo brothers, write all your governor with their pictures. Tell the world the atrocity they have committed. That's the only way. TVC channel can never show whatever thing that is happening. I just showed this one right now. You can only upload all this thing. YouTube or Facebook come and write different things. The world doesn't even know what's happening. If for example, Benjamin Netanyahu see about it, there are a lot of people today that say have human sympathy. Who will invite Buhari immediately? It may be G7 summit or G8. They will call him. What are you doing? Because a lot of people, they don't know. Because BBC is not talking about it. Look at how they beat NSAS, the Nigeria pumping some money, people that came to come and investigate the thing. That was how it gone. Buhari right now supposed to be being jailed in Guantanamo. Please, let's use another, let's strategize. There are different ways to eat the yam. Either you roast it, or you fry it, or you cook it. There are different ways. Let's also use another method. Let's make this fight to be more complicated for them. And right now they are dealing with winter. Let's add another one to it for them. To enable our people also live in peace and live. These people, they mean it. They mean this is how they are going. Do you know how many people they have killed? They are killing gradually. That's how they are going to end it. Okay, let's assume now. At the time they are able to, at the time they succeeded in all those saboteur, they give information about Apple. Maybe your friend, a very close friend to you, something happened to run. Then your next man, something happened to run. You are no option that to run to Nigeria and say, okay, I want to run. No. That's what they want to discourage the people gathering because these people is voluntary. Those ones, they are inside the bush, they are not supposed to come out all the time. But these Fulani, they will not go and meet the same people inside the bush. Look at how Israel fought war the other day. They were not just bombarding Palestinians like that. They will look for the place where the terror is the Hamas. They'll say, according to Benjamin Netanyahu, we say, we will target the building where they are. We will call the citizens there for them to evacuate the building. He said, we will put something there and we explode it. That's how it look like. But why are they fighting war anyhow? Go and look for the ESN. Let it even be war between Nnamdi Kanu and the so-called useless president, that a lifeless man. He know he cannot defeat him. Go and look for the May people. Even people they are be arrested, they are just killing innocent people for noticing. They are not even getting to the May people. They said they are inside the bush. Go to wherever. This guy right now, what do they call this idiot? This hopeless idiot, Hopus Odima. He has tried right now. He's giving up. That's why right now systematically he's calling for peace. Calling the youth, let unite together and all of that. Is it now you are calling? Do you know what have happened to them? They can't say it. The first time they deployed military to Olu, they lost two machine guns One of them worth $500,000 or so. No, it be like $500 million. One of them, he lost two. He lost two. Then two military helicopter. He lost two. Then bring them down because they are tired. Go and look for these people. Leave your citizen alone. Why are you killing your citizen? And look at what Hope Uzodinma is doing. Look at what David Umahi is doing. You just fold up your hands. These bandits up to today, they are killing your own people in your heart. Hope Uzodinma, error bomb you out. David Umahi, error bomb you out. Error bomb you out. If you have a fian with you out, wait for me. I'm going for river for you. Time we are given and don't pass. Please, all Igbo light, rise up on your feet. Take the book by the own. God's answer prayer. Not be other prayer. When I'm going to pray for his synagogue. Go to the river. Mention their name. You have to be brutal in the spirit. Stop reading lamentation. The book of Matthew 11 verse 12. He says, since the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven suffered violent. Only the violent men take it by force. You have to take it by force. This nonsense must have to stop. If not because this governor that is just, the governor is not on your side. Even every citizen today, the Biafra citizen, if you are still believing on your governor, you are a fool. Your governor is your enemy. Your governor is your enemy. They are the one killing you. They collected, they are even the one paying Fulani. How many Bubuagu they created? How many Fulani yes-men have they called that is the police custody? Have you one day ask yourself, before these people were proscribed as a terrorist, IPOB, did you see Nigerian government proscribe the Janjaweed? Even in EU, they know that Fulani they are terrorists. But Nigerian government not proscribe them. But even the wicked is not even talking to the Fulani. You are warning your brothers, just the same way right now. I'm a Edo man. We say, okay, Edo light. Let's talk Edo state back. They say we are public. They are not terrorists. We need to protect our nations. But why are you also joining them to start saying they are terrorists? And we can even say now they are not going to pay June salary for the judiciary because they go on track. Very idiotic set of people. I don't know, give these people power. Please, IPOB, please, you can do this one. I know you guys have momentum. Gather up yourself, make a protest. Print all their pictures, Bring out a slip you are going to. If you got this one, the atrocity they have been committing, they should call them to order. Not only Buhari now. Buhari is not only your problem. All your state governor is your problem. You can be able to summon them in criminal court, and they will come and answer. If not, they will continue this thing. Before you know, even the so-called, they will not even be time for referendum. The people that are supposed to even vote for referendum, they are killing them gradually. It will come to a time right now, a lot of people will start giving up. Okay, all this is that's happening, they are targeting Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not a governor in any state. He's in abroad. His own men, all of them, they are inside the bush. Because the white God called him, please, Nnamdi Kanu, your mothers, your fathers, they are hungry. Sanitize the bush so that they can go to farm. That was why he did it. Hope Uzodinma does not have free money given to people. It does not give unemployed benefit. Only food they would have even said, it don't mean. They lock it in the warehouse. So since Nnamdi Kanu have been able to clear the bush in the east, their people cannot go to the farm. But because your governors, or people like Hope Uzodinma, David Umahi, Wike, they want you to die, that's why they are annoying. Why is Nnamdi Kanu standing on their way from there killing you? Igbo people, you should have this at the back of your mind. I know to live in Nigeria reason where it's very difficult. Una even they try to say why some people never they run mad. To live in that country and you are thinking normal is difficult. I know a lot of things that have went down the drain. But never mind. Share this video among these people. They should know who their problem is. They say a discovered enemy is a defeated enemy. Your governors is your problem. Nnamdi Kanu has succeeded. He has put the Fulani herdsmen to where they belong. But your governor go to meeting not even to protect you. They fold up your hands. Okay, now, I told you the other day how these people is going to do it. They are going to say, mark your doorstep with a blood or whatever sign. The same way God told the children of Israel, mark your doorstep when they were in Egypt. He said, so that when the angel of death will come, I not going to kill them. If I see the blood, I will pass over. How can a state you are being given, the well-being of the people does not concern you? You are not running after the bandit. You are not calling me Etiala. I don't want this thing to happen in this community again. But they are coming to come and be killing your people. Later you go and do mass burial for them, reading a lamentation. Look at Oton Samuel Oton of Benue State. No, it's Benue now. Eh? They are killing. That's killings everywhere. That's why at times when I think about my Edo people, my heart will always bleed. My heart will always bleed. But I pray our governor he shouldn't betray us. Even as a doubt, do we even have measure on ground to curtail all this nonsense these people are doing? It's going to go all around. If that's the case, if the governors of the East, if you want to give them land that belongs to you, and stop this nonsense you guys are doing. A lot of people that does not think very well now, they'll start blaming Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is killing people. It has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not the state governor. He's not the state governor. Okay, what is not the responsibility of the governor? Tell me, if you can bear put it there in a simple sentence, what is not the responsibility of David Umahi of Ebonyi State? What is he doing in Ebonyi? What is hopeless? Who's the idiot? What is he doing in Imo? You can see that John chapter 10 verse 10 I'll be telling you is true. They brought Opus Odima to kill, to steal, and to destroy. That is what he's doing. That they bring it purposefully. Go there, conquer, subdue, kill them. But people are still piling up around him, still saying, say, Baba, don't you know it's going to get to you tomorrow? It is the poor people tomorrow. Today, what about you tomorrow? Let come back home and begin to reason. What is the duty of a state governor? They say to protect lives and property. Let even assume I'm not going to protect any IPOB member. If you caught any IPOB member with their logo, let's assume you arrest them and you will not pay them. But what about these poor people who pose of idiots? David Umahi, David Umahi, you are in Jesus. If you not doubt, said David Umahi, opus of the man, now Chineke go kill na. Now, what about these are no ESN? Why not even look for the IPOB that are the terrorists? These are your citizens for crying out loud. Your citizen, a law about the citizen. Mona come wike one let me we were. I think this one should be a concern of every reasonable governor. Now God will punish all of them. When we are waiting at Parliament, you don't have that a wicked, we don't see Parliament. You have hopes of the man, you not die so I are. If I go hopes of the man. All of them, they will come on channel television and begin to talk anyhow. Talk here, talk here, talk here. What are you doing about this Fulani killing your people? Nobody, they help me, they ask the question. These are not so IPOB now. These are not IPOB, these are not here. These are your citizens committed to you when you were swearing oath. Make that oath kill your head. Ebonyi State Governor, David Umahi. Look at David in the Bible, kill Goliath. Then you are, look at Hitler of Ebonyi. You are not killing your people. David in the Bible killed Goliath. So you are not killing your people. David Umahi, he will not die so can you answer. Now what you pay you pardon you take pay what you they do so. Because this is a deliberate act. You gave room to Fulani herdsmen to start killing your people. The blood owner they drink, you know they tire now. Okay, let's even assume right now, so I don't talk and say, IPOB now they look for, una not want them good. But this one also IPOB now. Eh? All these one not IPOB, these are just people living in the village suffering, you know. But even the Fulani now, no wagbeo Fulani. Una not go meet the so-called ESN. Okay, how many times now even the ESN come they kill small Fulani? Okay, now one make they still go to kill small Fulani. Not be the cattle here that they drag come up for their bush. Why Nigerians don't they think? Okay, what does these children have to do? Okay, now Igbo people to also start killing Fulani. Who many pass? If they say maybe they kill you now. Well, I will bear you wa. I be a dear dog below wa. What if you a problem? Una do intercity dey. Okay, wait you una define. Okay, you want the IPOB to also take law into their hand and be killing you small, all the Fulani. If now one make cast from jump now. Look at the innocent people now go kill. The Israel the other day displayed the meaning of war. Thank God for the life of Benjamin Netanyahu. He said we will not be firing. He said they are firing at our citizens. We are not firing at their citizens. He said we target the building where the Hamas they live. He said we'll put a control to people living in that domain, make them come out, they will bring down the building. That is how to fight. David Umahi will come tomorrow. If they're asking him question, he will be talking about ESN. David Umahi, you know that or more boy will you out David Umahi, or more where will you out. If you know that way say Emmanuel Gulona, you have to tell where David Umahi. Una on 2 months. Why not get wicked man like this? Why? Why do people become too wicked? You just sell out your people for a peanut because position. I can't understand. So now might be for that country. Okay, you want the same Igbo people is certain you unite. This no longer is not a fight between Fulani and Igbo. It's a fight between your governor. Your governor son join them. Your governor is aiding and abetting criminal. Your governor joined them. That's why today they have never one day ordered for any arrest of Fulani, and Fulani don't perform mayhem reach. If you take them from Benin or to north or to south or northeast, check them. You cannot see any Fulani that is even in jail. Say name there, Usman. Say he write their name. He was under arrest. He not day. He not day. They are not in prison anyway. Who gave these people this useless immunity? All those on kept and weed. Okay, una want make cast. Una want make okay the Fulani and okay now make it. If na me be the boy, I will still take law into my hand. What be what me be what? If una kill civilian for my one, I will kill for una own. Not be una fool everywhere they beg. I see somewhere in Igbo land where they go drag some people. They give them notice. Me una pack come out. How many of una make by the key? How many? Okay, because say the Igbo people, some of them, they do like fulefus. Now those one me they blame. If Igbo people really rise up today, in millions say we need our freedom, who be Nigeria we want to? Nigeria, they get population. You think say we dey Nigeria? Or any reasonable person now go join a Buhari, fight Igbo people. It can't happen. This one was not 1967. This one will be 1967. We are in 2001. Look at what they are doing. Now no na get gone. ESN, they have been inside the bush. Their commander have been saying it. If you need us, come inside the bush. Now inside the bush, they don't perform any this thing on ground. You have been arresting the people, executing them. Wicked go come. That is very exotic set of human beings. I don't know say I saw these people wicked. I pray more. Una not go fit conjant again. Make una conjant. Make una conjant. Nonsense. I can't understand. What are you getting? Your people is being killed. Una they eat then. Let's go, okay, if now pop now, okay. We don't already declare terror, we doesn't like the activity, good. But this one are just poor farmer. What provision have you been making for your people to go to farm? And David Umahi, what the local Hitler of you are committing genocide. The local Hitler of Ebonyi. What are you doing for your people to be safe? What are you are not giving them any protection. The Ebobo be a Bube sugarcane that you people create was to start spying people up and down. And the so-called foolish policemen or the force where they use, where they give army uniform, when I know they use on head, you go to kill your brother because of money. You think you are working for Nigeria. You are not working for Nigeria. At the end of the day, you will still die. Or no government will locate you. You can't survive. At the end of the day, you are still going to die. You cannot please Nigeria. Nigeria is, it don't finish. Nigeria is gone. Like we are not Nigeria. We are Edo people. So we are looking for a way right now to see how you want to work out. Nigeria will never be put together again. Be like egg we don't scatter. How you going to put it together? It can never be put together again. How will they be using you when you know that your ancestral land, the ancestors of Ebonyi, David Umahi, now I go call you. David Umahi, the ancestors of Ebonyi, now go wipe off your family. Because this wickedness. Una not fit join hands together. Make them proscribe the Fulani. Where they kill una. The people that God hand over to you, go and read the book of Romans 13. David Umahi, go and read the book of Romans 13. May you for know your duty. Or go and read the book of Proverbs 36 verses. He said, David Umahi, go to the city of ants and be wise. David Umahi, I don't come for you. David Umahi, you must fall. David Umahi, you are not a David, you are a Goliath. Goliath Umahi. From today, he is called Goliath Umahi. And David is coming to bring your throne down. I am the David, I'm going to fight you spiritually. You can't escape it. This is becoming too much. So people cannot live their score years in Nigeria. Only in Nigeria, your life can be cut short at any time. Only in Nigeria to today, when they bring light, you're happy, hey, Jesus, they don't bring light to you, happy for necessary thing. Only in Nigeria. Okay, now, what is the use of the Ebubuagu? What is the use of a Ebubuagu that you people have spent billions of naira for? Opus Odima. Now, wait till you pay you pan and you take pay. Now, so they'll see kill your children for your eye, Opus Odima. David Umahi, now so Goliath Umahi, now so they'll see kill your children for your eye. Now, wait till pay una pass now, now take pay. What kind of dirty governors are you people? Which books are you people reading? Why do you become too wicked? Even the devil himself is not happy over this. I met devil today. He say innocent now. He don't even know he called David Umahi. I'm not going to say Opus or Dijo. He don't know now. Devil cannot do this to even his children. Very painful kind of situation. What's the meaning of all this? What about Igbo people rise up? You are trying to target. Thank God, I'm not a member. They are killing you. Is these people a member of IPOB right now? Check when they started killing you and before Nnamdi Kanu came into your rescue. So that is how they are going to eradicate you. You'll be in lamentation. Tomorrow, right now, all of you is going to church. They don't break now. You are waiting. They don't control. Oh, see go. Praise I Lord. Oh, see go, idiot. Cutlass you won't buy. If the Oyibo people really cooperate, now cooperation I told you one way and do so. That was why when David came to Jerusalem, in Psalm 133, he called them because he know the power of unity. He said how good and how pleasant it is for brethren. Who is brethren? The people you are passing through the same man going together. Not only Christian. The person they are killing both of you together, you are brethren. You are still doing sabo. If they catch you now, I'm not IPOB. Go and look at one house there. They are going to kill you the same. They won't ask you, say, bring out your. You are an Igbo man, you are an Igbo man. Your blood, it they willing. It they smell for their body. They look you so meat. Whether you be IPOB, you be SMO, you are still going to die. They are just trying to use that one to camouflage. IPOB. They are coming for everybody. Why not about 70 or 60 million Biafrans? Or Igbo people, if not even hear the day, Biafrans, rise up and say no today. Igbo people, they are the one holding themselves. You are a problem to yourself. Oh. Igbo people, you are a problem to yourself. The very day you say you are tired of this agony, Nigeria will let you go. They will never let you go if you are sitting down, leaving everything for ESN. Look at this one. I say ESN to come to our rescue. If ESN come now we now see go they say maybe you see your face. Huh? Maybe you see their face, then you go report. Huh? If I may get you clear, before now the Kanu came, the killing have already started. But they are trying to now paint it right now for people to start seeing it now because now the Kanu come. Okay, now the Kanu right now, let's assume now he have rested. David Umahi, why are you protecting your people? What measure do you have a grant protecting your people? You don't have any measure on ground because you are an idiot. That's how your children is going to die in your eye. Go and mark it. David Umahi, this is how your children. You think you are playing politics. It's not going to end like this. Your generation will be wiped out away from the face of the earth. Una the year of Pharaoh today again. Una they see the year say Pharaoh family. Whether even today Egypt say I don't know. Maybe they don't stone them die because of the reproach you brought to them. David Umahi, we are going to write books in your name. You are not even David said. You are Goliath Umahi. Your name is Goliath, and David will come and break down your throne. David is coming for you. I have never seen such wicked leader before. You are doing the federal government of the Janjaweed of Nigeria to be calling your own blood brother terrorist. And within your mind, you know, if there is be terrorist, the one and name them, it go better for you. If true, say they not be terrorists, now hatred, una name them terrorists. But the hate go the hurt for una body. If there is be terrorists, like the Fulani, it go better for you. Why your power man over? Why ever will chicken go bless you? If not be so, the gods of the Igbo land is against you, David Umahi. Now, wait till pay you partner, you will pay this very struggle. You are going to be wiped out, you are going to wither. The same way God Almighty, Jesus called that fig tree in the book of Man. Today I curse you, David Umahi. You will wither, except you stand up to come and do the right thing. The same cause I curse for you. Now say cop give a hopeless who's idiots. Stupid set of people. I wonder if both people are still doing political correctness. When I not get to do, I go lay on for your head. Muna carry people now, they stone her with egg. Any I be. Mention in for inside water. As soon as they bury those people, Muna put cutlass for their hand. Mention David Umahi name put to stand, they bury them. Make God give them power. Make them go to change David Umahi. Make them change them for drink. Most sure that they know. Until say, "Nana, yes. And you are even doing the video. You are not cursing the so-called governor. You are not the insult them. Cause them. Use their own children as a point of contact. Are these children in dying? Also, we replace those children with your children also. I will want David Umahi. I want you to feel today. You will feel the pain these people are feeling. These people, whether their husband or their wife, neither the one way I want you to pass through the same pain they are passing through. At times, God wants you to experience some kind of things other people have been experiencing. May you foretell no I be. You have never wanted to start laying curse on them. You leave everything for Nnamdi Kanu. Now Nnamdi Kanu, now I go call them Janjaweed. Now only one want do all. We have a lot of women in this thing. Can no longer go to farm. Gather yourself, even though they not show na faith, make them show na back. Be laying curse on them. Become on no gun women. Even though they carry gun. On no women. On no spiritual women. On no Ogbanje women. If you are an Ogbanje in Igbo land, gang up, carry David Umahi name to the river. Mona kill them for night. Ha! Is there no witches in the east? There's witches there now. Go to the river, mention his name. Person wey want the video now, he go there back. He go the record una for back. Fanfan get, una just gather. Una wear white and white. Call his name. Now different than to fight war. If you are fighting war, you have to use sophisticated languages. I'm in war right now. I did a video some hours ago. I told you we are in war. And at the war we see this so. And if you are in war, you use sophisticated weapon. Now I cannot shoot. I have to use what they come out from my mind, go past missile. That's why the pain people are feeling today. David Umahi, you will feel such pain. The pain people are feeling today in Imo. David Umahi, you will feel it. The pain people are feeling today in Imo. Opus Odima, you will feel such pain in the mighty name of Jesus. Chineke go kill you in a hurry. This your government. God will spoil am for your hand. As you keep quiet, make them they kill your people, God will kill you in a hurry. He said, "Defend." Is all of them not the same? I bet go carry your mid whatever. Go that. Maybe I just block you because you are an idiot. This way, me I bring me I block you here. Doesn't believe in segregation. I belong everywhere. When the Roland, what bet you what boom what bon. Me I block you here, idiot. When I not get human sympathy. Why are you people so wicked? Why are you wicked? When the Roland, who bought you, everybody what you see, what have your way? We're not so wicked. We are not forget this kind of mind. 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 People are very, very stupid. Wetin Bible talk? Read the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 7. He said, blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. What does Galatians 6 verse 7 talk about? Don't be deceived, our God is not mocked. Whatsoever a man sow, that shall reap. Wait till you sow, so you go reap. On when you go get problem, nobody go fight for you. Then you want me to see the video, I keep quiet. Go to fight for wait till the Midwest. Me I leave you. Igbo people not be human being. The cause where I call David Gumai, you share from it today. You share from it. The cause I have laid here since Roland, where the Roland, you will share from it in a hurry. Material sin I go kill your head. Stupid people everywhere. They don't get human sympathy. All these are just Nigerian to Nigerians. What's your problem? Now your matter take talk. Support me Midwestern. Who will be Midwestern? Are we dragging land here? Be your brother's keeper is a problem. Tomorrow you want to live a better life. If you are a man, your wife will poison you. If you be a woman, your husband will poison you. We are talking about better thing here. Why not sorry for people for once? This is just a nature of a very bad Nigerian. You don't bloody care. The pace of your brother does not concern you. You don't forget. You have to change your mind. You don't change your mind. I don't know if you feel better if you continue like this. No, if you feel better if you continue like this. I did a video today protecting people from me taking injection. What have you been doing? Parabolating here and there. If you are a man, your husband will kill you this week. Your wife will kill you this week. If you are a woman, your husband will kill you. The life of people does not concern you. Here you are in abroad. Now abroad today because you cannot be using this kind of network in Nigeria. Here you are. Oibo go see you. Now they will drive you for work this week. If na camp you dey, your money today, I wipe it away. That benefit you not get them again. You will feel the same pain these people are feeling. We will not get human sympathy for a place. Very janja with the set of people. All my mates are sleeping right now. Is after one in the morning. I'm here shouting even one knocking the whole building. Then you are there your comfort zone comforting as you leave the Igbo people. Igbo people, now Igbo people help go kill you. Cause all now go call you in the night. Stupid set of people.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.